The PPT or one-pager app is an advanced AI tool that helps you summarize lengthy documents in a flash, transforming them into concise, easy-to-read summaries. Say goodbye to shifting through endless pages of text. Just upload your document and let SCMDOJO handle the heavy lifting. Now let's take a look at how to use SCMDOJO to create your PPT or one-pager with the AI app. Log into your account, click on Login. Click on the Apps tab from the main menu. Launch the AI app by click on Create PPT or One-Pager with AI app. This 17-page PDF would take a lot of time and effort to go through manually reading line by line, highlighting key points, and trying to organize everything into a summary. It's time-consuming, stressful, and easy to miss important details. Click on Drag and drop your PDF, and then just upload your document and let app handle the hard part. Once your summary is ready, you can download it in whatever format you prefer. After you download your chosen format, you'll see how it instantly extracts the key insights and turns them into a clear, concise summary or a ready-to-use presentation. That's it. By doing this, you get your summarized documents. Using the app will provide you with clear, concise summaries that help you save time and focus on what truly matters. Thank you for using SCMDOJO.